welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, please click the subscribe button and subscribe. If you're my forever subscriber, thank you so much. Please turn on the notifications so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So let's dive into the video. Oh my god, so today I have a new technique on how you could achieve this. I feel that this is most simple to achieve and I thought to share. So first, after prepping the skin, because I'm starting with the eyebrow first, so I have prepped the eyebrow look side. So I started by underlining my brows. Please, when you're drawing your eyebrow, there's some important things you need to do. Your pencil should be very, very sharp. I started by underlining my brow and underlined the brow. Then I now did a kind of an arc. I think please and please you could just save the video and watch it and watch it. It's very easy for you to do and something you could do. I drew an arc during the arc place and had to now match it with the underlined line that I did. So you can watch the video again, you understand better. And I didn't want to go ahead to shade. I just did a stroke, a stroke inside, and voila, the eyebrow is done. Look at it. Peep this beauty now. Needle beauty. I know that one of the things in makeup is the brows. Brows is kind of very hard to do, and makeup is just the brows, the lips, and and what again? What again? The first thing people look at when you do your makeup is the brow, the blending, and the lips. Your eyeshadow, your eyelid will even cover itself when you put your artificial eyelashes. You cover it. So I now went ahead to conceal. Look at what I did first. I started concealing from the end. You get, and I entered closely, like gentle, gentle. Make sure when you're concealing, you're not cleaning the line. You get, you're not cleaning the line that you drew, but you're just concealing for it to come out bold. Okay. And I'll rub my excess on the eyelid so that I won't have a breakage. And in case my concealer dries up, I will not have a kind of a breaking or a harsh lines there. So the excess I rub it down my eyelid. So look at it again. I enter slowly, very gently. Please, when you're doing your eyelashes, don't your eyebrows, sorry, don't rush, because if you rush everything has scattered. There's one thing in drawing, then concealing could be very, very technical. Like, do you know sometimes you have drawn the brows for but you just conceal and spoil the brows? So, my dear, just take note of it. And I used a lighter shade of a concealer for the end part, and then for this front part, I used a concealer that is my foundation shade, the skin shade, the foundation shade of my client, so that when I'm blending, because this part close to this first side, I'm going to contour it and it's going to be darker. So I can't use a lighter one here. Since it's going to be darker, I had to use a dark shade because I'm going to contour it. If you want me to do a full makeup video, please you can leave a comment and I'll do a full makeup video. But for this is just for the brows. And please, if you are learning something, please leave a comment, like, so that I can reach more people. Thank you. So I had to head over to conceal this other end. First, I'll conceal is the end parts first. I'll enter slowly. Please just take note of this. Look at what I did. I started from the end. Enter slowly. I was now rubbing it. Okay. Gently. Be very careful while doing it, whether on your face or on a client's face. Please be very, very careful. Yeah. And I use the shade that is darker in this other side. When I started, I used a shade that is lighter. Now I'm using a shade that is a foundation shade to conceal. Make sure I rub my excess on my eyelid. That's it. It looks simple, right? I believe it's simple. Yes, I know you can do it. Just watch it over time and go ahead and practice. So I'm concealing the upper one. The upper one using a concealer shade that is a color to conceal. See, I'm going in very gently from the end because I want to remove that sharp line. Yeah, I want to remove that sharp line. I want the end part to be very sharp. So that's why I'm doing that. And I'll just go in small, bit by bit, just going bit by bit to it. Please make sure that your concealer brush is very flat, because if your concealer brush is not flat, you'll not be able to achieve this. It's very, very flat and easy to use. I was still taking it and then going little by little to achieve what I want. Please be very, very careful because I'm still going in. I'll pick a little, just going and conceal it so that it come out very sharp and bold. See, while drawing your brows, I'm not promising you that you're going to get it the first time, but just be determined you are going to get it, and then you will. One of the things I would advise you to do is to save this video or download it and then watch it over and over again when you want to try it out. And the more you keep seeing, the more you keep seeing to be able to do it. Now look at the final look. We went ahead, we were done with the makeup and the final look. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.